How to get the best price. Let's get started. Bulk purchase. I really like your product. It's so unique. If I buy a few, could you give me a discount? I really like your product. It's so unique. If I buy a few, could you give me a discount?
Yes. If you purchase 3 or more, I can give you a special bulk price. Yes. If you purchase 3 or more, I can give you a special bulk price.
Do you have any promotions for buying multiple items? Do you have any promotions for buying multiple items?
We do. If you add a second item, I can give you 20% off the total price. We do. If you add a second item, I can give you 20% off the total price.
Will buying in bulk save me money? Will buying in bulk save me money?
Definitely. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. Let me calculate a special price for you. Definitely. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. Let me calculate a special price for you.
Can I get a better deal if I purchase accessories too? Can I get a better deal if I purchase accessories too?
Absolutely. If you add accessories, I can offer a bundle price that saves you more. Absolutely. If you add accessories, I can offer a bundle price that saves you more.
What's the best price if I buy the full set? What's the best price if I buy the full set?
Buying the full set gives you the biggest savings. Let me show you how much you can save. Buying the full set gives you the biggest savings. Let me show you how much you can save.
Limited time offer. If I buy today, can you give me a better price? If I buy today, can you give me a better price?
You're in luck. For today only, we have an exclusive deal. If you purchase now, I can give you a special discount. You're in luck. For today only, we have an exclusive deal. If you purchase now, I can give you a special discount.
Will there be a sale soon, where I can get this at a lower price? Will there be a sale soon, where I can get this at a lower price?
This is actually our best price of the season. If you're considering it, I'd recommend taking advantage of this offer now, as a better deal might not come up anytime soon. This is actually our best price of the season. If you're considering it, I'd recommend taking advantage of this offer now, as a better deal might not come up anytime soon.
Do first-time buyers at the department store get a special discount? Do first-time buyers at the department store get a special discount?
Absolutely. If this is your first purchase, you're eligible for a welcome discount. Let me apply it for you right away. Absolutely. If this is your first purchase, you're eligible for a welcome discount. Let me apply it for you right away.
Membership enrollment. Do you offer discounts for returning customers? Do you offer discounts for returning customers?
Definitely. Join our membership program and you'll unlock exclusive discounts on future purchases. Definitely. Join our membership program and you'll unlock exclusive discounts on future purchases.
How can I save more on this item? How can I save more on this item?
Great question. If you've spent over $1,000, you're eligible to join our loyalty program where you'll enjoy a lifetime discount of 20% off. Great question. If you've spent over $1,000, you're eligible to join our loyalty program where you'll enjoy a lifetime discount of 20% off.
Is there a special price for members? Is there a special price for members?
Yes. Members enjoy exclusive discounts and special gifts. Would you like to sign up and start saving? Yes. Members enjoy exclusive discounts and special gifts. Would you like to sign up and start saving?
Price comparison. I found a lower price somewhere else. Can you match it? I found a lower price somewhere else. Can you match it?
While we may not match the price exactly, we offer unbeatable service and exclusive perks. Let me show you why shopping with us is worth it. While we may not match the price exactly, we offer unbeatable service and exclusive perks. Let me show you why shopping with us is worth it.
I found this item at another store for less. Can you match it? I found this item at another store for less. Can you match it?
While we may not match that price, we offer fantastic perks like free shipping and exclusive bonuses. Let me show you why shopping with us is the better choice. While we may not match that price, we offer fantastic perks like free shipping and exclusive bonuses. Let me show you why shopping with us is the better choice.
Why should I buy from you, instead of a cheaper alternative? Why should I buy from you, instead of a cheaper alternative?
Because we offer great service, reliable support, and exclusive discounts. You get more than just a product. Because we offer great service, reliable support, and exclusive discounts. You get more than just a product.
Seasonal sales. Should I wait for the holiday sales to buy this? Should I wait for the holiday sales to buy this?
You could, but why wait? We've got an early sale happening right now that gives you even bigger savings. Grab the deal today and enjoy the benefits sooner. You could, but why wait? We've got an early sale happening right now that gives you even bigger savings. Grab the deal today and enjoy the benefits sooner.
Will this item be discounted more in a future sale? Will this item be discounted more in a future sale?
This is already our best seasonal price. So there's no need to wait. Lock in the savings now and enjoy the value today. This is already our best seasonal price. So there's no need to wait. Lock in the savings now and enjoy the value today.
When's the best time to get this at a better price? When's the best time to get this at a better price?
Right now. Our limited time sale is on, and this is the best deal you'll find. Don't miss out. Grab it while it lasts. Right now. Our limited time sale is on, and this is the best deal you'll find. Don't miss out. Grab it while it lasts.
Can I get a better deal if I pay in cash? Can I get a better deal if I pay in cash?
While the price remains the same, I can offer you an exclusive cashback deal for cash payments. It's a great way to save a little extra. While the price remains the same, I can offer you an exclusive cashback deal for cash payments. It's a great way to save a little extra.
I've shopped with you before. Do you remember me? Can I get a special deal? I've shopped with you before. Do you remember me? Can I get a special deal?
Absolutely. We always appreciate our loyal customers. I've got an exclusive discount just for you. Let me show you how much we value your support. Absolutely. We always appreciate our loyal customers. I've got an exclusive discount just for you. Let me show you how much we value your support.